Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Gmail account step by step. We will cover everything creating an account on your mobile phone, laptop or tablet, and even setting up Gmail without using a phone number. This is the best thing. You can create your own Gmail account without using any phone number. In this tutorial, you will know how to create a Gmail account in just a few minutes. Let's get started and create your new Gmail account today. First, open your Google account and type Gmail create. Once you click on Gmail create, then you can click on the first link, create Gmail account. Once you click on it, this type of dashboard appear in front of you. Now you can click in this blue button, create an account. Once you click on it, this type of dashboard appear in front of you. Now you can click on create account. I can create account for my personal use, so I can click for my personal use. After that, I can enter the first name of my business. First name and last name is optional. I can enter first name. Once I can enter first name, you can click on next, and then you can add the date of birth of yours. I can enter it, enter your gender, and then I want to create Gmail account. Gmail address, I want to give Gmail address according to my website event365@gmail.com. This is the website Gmail of my website. So I can enter set password. After password, I can add recover email address on there and click on next. Once you can click on next, then you can read this terms and condition and click on I agree. After that, I can this type of dashboard appear. I can sync all autofills bookmarks. This is a useful thing. Now I want to add the name of my Gmail account event365. I can add it. Now I can click on our Google account is create. If you want to add the business name, create Google business profile for your website or business, you can create on there. But one thing I want to tell you, this Google business profile I can teach you on the next video. In this video, it's enough for you. Now our Gmail account is create. So now I can show you how I can add profile picture of my Gmail account. So I can click on add profile picture. I added the logo of my website on there, event365. I can add on there. Now it can upload it. After upload it, you can show on there save as profile picture. After that, click on save as profile picture, you can see this can be uploaded successfully. Now this can be shown on the logo of my Google account create. It looks nice. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorial. See you in the next video.